Hola, buenos dias, mi amigo. I'm just kidding, I don't speak Spanish. Today on Secret Spots with Jiggly, I'm taking you to the Magic Fishing Rock. I call it that because it is truly a magical place to go fishing. Beautiful. Usually catch something. Usually kind of quiet. And there's nobody here. See that rock right about there? That's it. There she blows. I just got off work. I don't have my chest camera or nothing, and I have the barest of bare essentials in my fishing backpack. Fishing backpack! So, but you know, whatever. I need to unwind after a day of being a retail wage slave. So let's hope we catch something. Boop! Cool, as I'm walking down to the fishing rock, it is, I don't know, 7:45, something like that. And now I'm on the fishing rock. As always, on Secret Spots with Jiggly, I'm gonna show you a Google Maps image of where I'm at, which you will see right about now. I am scoping the place for a good spot, in case you're wondering what I'm looking around for. Boy, she's shallow. The equipment that I have with me today is the 1950s era child's reel, the Crown Planet Junior number 65, which, as I think about it, the number 65 might mean the year. I see a big fish right there, which means if I hook anything big, I ain't getting it. But I also have the fly rod. But my equipment, tackle-wise for today, consists of a box of flies and some twisty tail grubs. And that's pretty well it. Alright. I'm going to fish the downstream side. This is the upstream side. Let me turn that so you guys can see. As you can see, there's a current that comes in right there. Which provides a good opportunity for fish, but with a 1950s era child's fishing rod, there's no way in hell I can cast that far to get to that, and I don't feel like getting my feet wet. So I think we're going to go to the downstream side. I may regret that. We'll find out. I just about walked off the edge of the rock. Holy shit. See, it's kind of broke right there. Woo, boy, Jiggly just about went down. But there's a nifty little outcrop of rock right there where somebody was nice enough to leave me an empty bait container. I'll take that with me when I go because littering sucks. Boy, I just heard a big one jump too. Anyway, I'm going to fish the downstream side. There's a calm little pocket here where fish like to gather. And I don't know if you can see him like I did, but right at the end of this little run, right there, is a big one. We're going to try for him. I need to quit recording and watch where I'm walking. I'm about to die out here. Running out of daylight, but I'm happy to report that I clearly underestimated the focus the Japanese kids reel from the 50s, the Crown Planet Junior's casting abilities, I can hit that. See if I can record with one hand and cast with the other. Boom. I don't know if you guys saw where that landed, but that was perfect. So, yay for me. This is awkward, holding my phone and the fishing pole with my left hand and cranking with my right. I just had a bite and I missed it. I don't know, but anyway, I can totally hit that. I put on a gold spoon. I'll show it to you as soon as I can get a hold of it. Figure something out there will like it. Looks like a golden shiner. Fish is jumping in. Anyway, I'm going to concentrate on fishing instead of holding my phone while trying to reel.